It's important to note that no one's been charged with anything today being June 24th, 2022. But Wall Street Journal put out this really good interview with Kwon. So Kwon Interview explains he's devastated by Luna collapse, says there's a big difference between failing and fraud. Failing and fraud. So what do you think it is? Failure or fraud? I don't know. Time will tell, I guess. So during a recent interview with the Wall Street Journal, Terraform Labs founder Do Kwon said he was devastated by the Luna and UST implosion that took place in mid-May. He told Wall Street Journal that he was probably a billionaire when Luna tapped an all-time high before the collapse, but lost a great portion of his net worth following the aftermath, following the big dump. I believe it. Do Kwon speaks out about Terra Luna collapse. So, he's saying that Do Kwon told reporters that he lost most of his wealth after the crash, but that doesn't bother him much. That doesn't bother me, he said. And he goes, I live a fairly frugal life. All right. Kwon, however, said he was sorry about the losses investors took from the fallout. I've been devastated by the recent events and hope that all the families who've been impacted are taking care of themselves and those that they love, Kwon stated in the interview. He also discussed his confidence that many called cocky and noted that it was because he was a big believer in the Terra ecosystem. And Kwon said, I made confident bets and made confident statements on behalf of UST because I believed in its resilience and its value proposition. Adding, he said, I've since lost bets, but my actions 100% match my words. There is a difference between failing and running a fraud. Okay, so we finally hear his side of the story, and we kind of get, glimpses of it here and there, but talking to the Wall Street Journal, that's huge. That's huge. So, yeah. All right. So Kwon has great confidence in Terra's ability to build back even stronger. Furthermore, Kwon discussed the new Terra blockchain in Luna 2.0, which is down 90% from 1887 per all-time high and now trades at $1.88. So Luna 2.0 has a market cap around 238 million as of June 23rd, 2022. All right, so Kwon believes that the revival will be strong and thinks that Luna 2.0 could someday surpass Luna Classic Chain. Wow. Okay. I have great confidence in our ability to build back even stronger than we once were, he says. So this interview follows the reports that said the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, was investigating Terraform Labs and UST collapse. Moreover, a whistleblower called Fat Man has accused Kwon of having massive amounts of Luna in personal wallets. See, that's where things get a bit tricky, and that's why nobody's really saying too much. So the Fat Man has also accused Kwon of cashing out $2.7 billion in funds before excuse me, the project collapse, but the Terra co-founder denies that he cashed out, and he said the allegations were false. So it's good to see that he's at least responding. There's an allegation, and he's having a chance to respond to the Wall Street Journal. Okay, but time will tell. I mean, the wallets will be followed. So Kwon and Terraform Labs are also being sued in class action lawsuits that claim the co-founder and company misled investors. Additionally, official records indicate that Do Kwon dissolved Terraform Labs Korea before the Luna and UST collapse. So three members of Terraform Labs' in-house legal team left the company amid the controversy as well. Okay, so what do you think about his interview with the Wall Street Journal? It's good to see, like, he's saying his side, at least a part of it. And it's also good to see some of the allegations flying around. Like, my belief, it would help if these guys didn't do anything. If he's innocent, it will definitely help Luna Classic a lot. Let's have a look at Luna Classic, because that's one I follow. So Luna Classic has been up the past couple days, 2 green days. It's still going sideways, but a little bit up. We'll see what happens. So none of this is financial advice. I'll put a link to the article in the description below so you can read the whole thing. And please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.